Now let's move to the question number 2. Use the logarithm to solve the inequality 4 to the power of x is less than 0.05. Give your answer in the form of x less than a, where a is correct to the three significant figures. 4 to the power of x is less than 0.05. Natural log both sides. So we will have ln 4 to the power of x less than ln 0.05 using the property a ln x to the is equals to the ln x to the power of a. This x will be multiplied. So x ln 4 less than ln 0.05, and we need to find the value of x. So x is less than ln 0.05 over ln 4. Okay, when we solve this one and x is less than negative 2.160. So we have achieved this format, and a in this case is negative 2.160. Part B, solve the inequality which is mod of 2x plus 8 less than 9. So 3x plus 8 modulus less than 9, square both sides. So this will become 3x plus 8 whole square less than 9 square. So we apply the formula a plus b whole square. So this will become 9x square plus 48x plus 64 less than 81. And when we switch 81 on the left side, we will have 9x square plus 48x plus 64 minus 81 less than 0. And this one will become x square plus 48x minus 17 less than 0. Okay, this is the quadratic equation, so we can solve it by applying quadratic formula. So we have x is equals to negative b, which is 48 plus minus under root 48 square minus 4a, which is 9, and c, which is negative 17 over 2 times a, which is 9. And this one is equals to negative 48 plus minus under root 2916 over 18. Okay, and this one is equals to the negative 48 plus minus 54 over 18, and this one is equals to negative 48 plus 54 over 18, and on the other side we will have negative 48 minus 54 over 18. So x is equals to the 6 over 18, and this one is equals to 1 over 3, and other value of x will be equals to the negative 102 over 18, and this one is negative 17 over 3. So we can say that x will be less than 1 over 3 and greater than negative 17 over 3. So this is the solution of this inequality. Now part C, Hans, state the integers that satisfy both the inequalities in part A and part B. So we have range of part A, which is x is less than 2.16 negative, and second range is x less than 1 over 3 and greater than negative 17 over 3. And this inequality can be written as so range of x in part B is less than 0.33 and greater than negative 5.66. Okay, if we plot this, if this is the negative 2.16, so the range of x less than negative 2.16 is will be like this. So this one is the part A. And if we plot the range of part B, So this will be 0.33 up to negative 5.66. We need to find the integers that satisfy the both range. So this is the both range from negative 2.16 to the negative 5.66. So what are the integers between them? So integer will be negative 3, negative 4 and negative 5. So we can say that the integers are negative 3, negative 4 and negative